Yo, what's good, everyone on YouTube? I'm back with another video. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for keeping, the subscribing going up, the comments, and the likes. You can also find me over on TikTok under the same name, Amherst Got Kicks. I got this package in the mail a couple of days ago from Nike. It actually showed up early. It said it was supposed to be here in June, but it showed up in like I just ordered it a couple of weeks back from Nike's website. This is a new drop. I didn't see it on any other website. I think it was a Nike Canada or Nike.com exclusive release. They still have a few pairs left in a few sizes. I thought these were sick. Now, this is a pair of Air Force Ones. You guys know I love Air Force Ones. It's been my favorite sneaker of all time. I just can't have enough of them. I am having a bit of trouble having room to keep sneakers right now, so I've been selling out some pairs to downsize. Um, but I read up on these and it said these originally released back in 2002. I don't remember these releasing. I was probably too young to remember back then. But I thought these were really nice, so I was a little hesitant, but decided to pull the trigger on these anyways. Just go ahead and I was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna fucking order them. So sometimes you just have to say fuck it and just order a pair of shoes. Like what, and like sometimes you shouldn't let certain pairs, get through your fingers. Like you just have to just go ahead and do it. But yeah, this is from Nike.ca. Um, they showed up about a week early, a week or two. They said they're supposed to be here in like the first week of June, but they showed up in like the last week of May. So let's get into it. There's nothing like unboxing a pair of sneakers. Feels like Christmas, right? But ooh, they come in a black Nike box. Then you know it's different. Alright, so here you are. You got the black and silver Air Force One box. Now, your regular traditional Air Force Ones usually come in a gray and a white box. Back in the day, they used to come in an orange Nike box, but they don't do those anymore for Air Force Ones. That was back in like when Air Force Ones first started. I wasn't born then. They came out in '82, but I remember when Air Force Ones started to get really popular back in like 2000 and like 7 and after. I was just like, I remember middle school days. I started seeing quite a few guys around my school wearing Air Force One, all white mids and lows. I didn't know what shoes they were. And then when Nelly came out with the song Air Force Ones, then it really blew up, and I was like, I have to have a pair. Like, I have to get a pair. I didn't need them. Did I want them? Yes. So I got my first pair of Air Force Ones when I was like, that's the song that really just made my love for Air Force Ones start. And I didn't know what they were before. I got my first pair of Air Force Ones when I was like, probably like grade 10. So that was like what, like 2008. And ooh, bro, these are just, they hit different. I've never owned a pair of brown sneakers before, but these things, they're nice. I'm just gonna show you. I went with my true size. I went with a size 9 men's. If you guys want them, they restock. They do have some resale right now, so that's good. These feel really light compared to regular Air Force Ones. I don't know why. They're built just like your normal Air Force One, like, and everything. But the only difference on here is they used the soft. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's like shattered backboard leather, but they use this really soft leather. It has kind of like a suede finish to it, which is kind of odd. I've never felt leather like this before. And then it has this like canvas also on the toe box and next to the Nike swoosh. It's got leather sock liner on the inside. They do that sometimes on Air Forces. And then they did Let's see what type of insoles these have. Oh, they did like canvas insoles too. So kind of like a canvas or like a cork kind of like look to it. And then it has a brown outsole. I remember there was an Air Force One that came out back in the day that I kind of feel bad that I didn't get. It was a lasers. If you guys remember, let me know down below in the comments. They were like a all like beige, like a dark beige or kind of like a brownish color Air Force One, and then they were laser. Like the whole upper of the Air Force One was just all one piece. There was no separate areas. It was all lasered on. They were crazy. I almost bought a pair, but then I didn't. And now I'm like, they're probably going for quite a bit now. And yeah, but I don't know. I had mixed feelings on these. But if you guys want these, Nike restocks them. The quality on here is good. Air Force One, classic comfort, you know. You can't go wrong with Air Force One. They're built rugged. They're built tough. They last. I always get like, when I used to buy just one pair of shoes, I would beat the shit out of them. Like, I would just completely just wear them every single day. They last me like 4 years, 5 years. Like I haven't gotten that much wear out of Air Forces lately because I've been just stockpiling shoes, right? I've just been a sneakerhead. I've just been buying every Air Force One I can get my hands on possible. Some slip through my fingers because they're super limited releases or collabs, but I definitely see myself rocking these. Like, I think these are sick. Like, if you guys want these, like I said before, Nike, I've seen when these dropped, I actually stumbled across these. There was no release reminders on any websites, no Instagram pages, nothing. Didn't hear anything about them. They just went under the radar. People are asking like $200 for these. Some 220. They were 170 Canadian taxes and they're 200. So you're not gonna be making too much profit on them, but if you're just looking for a good all around fall colorway or like kind of like a weak kind of colorway in Air Force, these are a good option. Now they come with your brown laces. I don't know if they have a secondary set of laces, but doesn't look like it. But let me know what your guys' thoughts are on these, what your opinions are. Let me know what you think. But until later, guys, much love. Keep subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. Until later, peace, bye. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on here. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Until later, I love you guys. I'm out. Peace, bye.